guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm gonna make a s'mores cookie. Something that looks so decadent and it will definitely satisfy the sweet tooth. So if you want to stick around and see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there, subscribe, support, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So no talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I've been seeing this s'mores chocolate chip cookie recipe all over social media and I knew I was going to give it a try, and today is the day. It only takes a few ingredients and is really simple. So I've already lined the baking sheet with some parchment paper and I'm going to start off with some graham crackers. And I'm only going to make 6 cookies today, so I'm just going to take 6 graham cracker squares and put them on a cookie sheet. And I have some Hershey's milk chocolate and I'm going to take 2 squares and add that on top of the graham crackers. And of course, s'mores need marshmallows, so I'm going to take a marshmallow and add that on top of the chocolate. Now you can use whatever cookie dough that you like, but this is my favorite. So I'm just going to take 2 pieces of cookie dough and I'm going to just smash it together and I'm going to add that on top. And that's it, that's all you need. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 350 degrees and I'm going to bake this off for 14 minutes. And that's it, the cookies are done and they look so good. And I'm just going to add just a little piece of chocolate in the center. And while the cookies are still nice and warm, I'm just going to sprinkle some of those graham cracker crumbles on top. This might be the easiest recipe I've ever brought to my channel, and make sure to enjoy these cookies while they're nice and hot. Between the cookie doughs and the graham crackers and the melted chocolate and the gooiness from the marshmallows, these are the perfect summer cookies. Definitely give it a try. And that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Hype up the video. Let's get it in the algorithm. Follow me on my new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.